Hello dear friends! In this video I'll be making the Pavlova dessert. This dessert turned out incredibly light, looks festive, and is perfect for Christmas and New Year celebrations. As always, you'll find the list of ingredients below the video. The bowl and mixer for whipping the egg whites must be perfectly clean, grease-free, and completely dry. Be careful, this is very important, otherwise the meringue won't whip properly. Pour the egg whites into the bowl, add citric acid, and start whisking. Then gradually, in 3 or more stages, add the powdered sugar. The meringue should be whipped to stiff peaks so that it doesn't fall out when you turn the bowl upside down. Now you'll need a piping bag with the nozzle shown in the video. Place the piping bag with the nozzle into a tall glass. This will make it easier to fill with the meringue. Pipe the pastries onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, as shown in the video. Place them into a preheated oven to bake. I'll list the temperature and baking time below the video. Do not open the oven while baking. Take them out and let them cool completely. Now let's prepare the cream. Whip cold cream using a mixer. Add a bit of powdered sugar. Finally, add the cream cheese. I'm using mascarpone. And whip again. Transfer the cream to a piping bag with a nozzle and pipe it onto every second half, as shown in the video. Assemble the pastries following the steps shown in the video. For the filling, I'm using cranberry jam. You'll find the link to the recipe below the video. Transfer the jam to a piping bag with a nozzle and fill the pastries as shown. Then take the bag with cream and cover the top, as demonstrated in the video. Sprinkle with toasted almond flakes. You can toast them in the microwave in short 30-second bursts, stirring each time. Hope you enjoy this recipe. See you soon, friends. Happy baking!